Welcome to this video. Today, we will discuss the benefits and challenges of real-world evidence, as well as how to enhance the quality of real-world data when designing your clinical trial. Real-world data is becoming crucial in clinical research. But how does it differ from clinical trial data? Clinical trials are controlled experiments designed for regulatory approval but have limitations like small sample sizes and short-term data collection. Real-world evidence complements trials with larger datasets over longer periods, using sources like health records, claims, and patient-generated data. Recently, regulatory agencies are increasingly using RWD to assess product effectiveness and safety. What are the benefits of RWD? RWD allows for the collection of traditional safety and performance data for medical devices and drugs outside the controlled environment of clinical trials. It supports regulatory decisions to expand the indications of use for medical products. It also provides valuable evidence when traditional trials are impractical. However, there are several challenges associated with using real-world data. A major concern is RWD's low quality and inconsistency due to outdated or poorly maintained sources, causing data bias. Another challenge is data review bias. Different hospitals and institutions follow different guidelines, resulting in inconsistent and potentially inappropriate data. Additionally, RWD can be difficult to reproduce, impacting the credibility and validation of study findings. So, how can we improve the use of real-world data? Following regulatory guidelines and seeking scientific advice are critical first steps. Participant recruitment strategies and database requirements must be carefully considered. Using up-to-date, high-quality data from multiple sources instead of relying on a single source ensures more comprehensive insights. Handling changes in data collection processes and maintaining consistency across regions is essential to ensure meaningful analysis and regulatory compliance. Data protection and privacy regulations must be followed to safeguard patient information. In conclusion, although real-world data presents certain challenges, it provides substantial benefits in improving clinical trials and informing regulatory decisions. At Solutions OP Limited, we help you leverage RWD for successful clinical trials. Contact us for more information.